Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the light mode and night mode on your Windows 10. All you have to do is go to desktop and then right click and then go to personalize and then go to themes and then go to colors, and you're gonna find here if it's dark mode or light mode. As you can see, choose your color. If it's gonna be light, as you can see, it's changed to a light mode, it becomes white. And if you want to change it to a dark mode, the color that I'm really using currently, just click on dark, choose it, and it's gonna change to dark mode. This one is better for protecting your eyes. It's not gonna get affected as it's gonna be with the light mode. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.